Through the years, quality control issues have stained the reputation of Windows 10 feature updates. Many people sat through these updates wondering whether or not their devices would continue working properly afterwards. In response, Microsoft is changing tack. This time around, performance and quality improvements are the focus for Windows Update. Hey there everybody, it's me Cody on Microsoft, where today we'll be taking a look at what's new in the Windows 10 November 2019 update. Because this update is focused primarily on performance and quality enhancements, there aren't a whole lot of new exciting features to look at. This update is so small that you might not even notice when it happens. Similar to the monthly cumulative updates, the November 2019 update, or version 1909, will download onto your device when you check for updates in the Windows settings. This installation process will be significantly quicker than before. This update builds on top of the May 2019 update, requiring only a restart to take place. So unless you're a commercial customer or updating from an older version of Windows 10, you won't have to sit through that extended update and installation process. Of the visible changes in this update, most of them are improvements to the user interface. On the Start menu, for example, the navigation pane now expands automatically when you hover the mouse pointer over it. This change will improve the discoverability of items on the navigation pane, where users previously had difficulty finding the actions they were looking for. I would often find that people could not find the Sign Out button, for instance, but now, when the mouse pointer hovers over this section, the titles for all these buttons will be prominently displayed. The menu also looks quite lovely with its acrylic effects, in my opinion. On the opposite side of the taskbar, the calendar flyout also comes with a couple of new features. You can now create calendar events right from the taskbar flyout by selecting a date and then typing into the event or reminder text box down below. Once you start typing, a form will appear where you can add extra details such as the time and location for your new event. The More Details button will direct you to the calendar app like before if you need to enter more specific information. The November 2019 update refines the app notification settings. At the very top of Action Center, there is a Manage Notifications link. This link takes you directly to the Notifications and Actions section in the Windows settings. The main section is more or less the same, adding a couple of extra tick boxes for specifying what kinds of notifications can appear. Clicking on a specific app from the list below will reveal a redesigned per-app notifications page. There aren't any new features here, but the layout is somewhat different. Thumbnails at the top of the page help differentiate notification banners from notifications in Action Center, and switches appear where tick boxes were previously. Microsoft is allowing third-party digital assistants onto the lock screen in the November 2019 update. For instance, if you install Alexa from the Microsoft Store, you will be able to speak with her from the lock screen after granting her the proper permissions. As for Cortana, Microsoft is currently working on moving her to a standalone app, separating her from the operating system entirely. The new app will not be shipping with the November 2019 update, however, you can install this beta from the Microsoft Store. In the last major update for Windows 10, the Windows search experience was updated with a dedicated UI and advanced search indexing options. With the November 2019 update, the File Explorer search is being updated as well. The search bar in File Explorer will now give you web-powered suggestions based on the files on your device and in the cloud. You can open files right from these suggestions, or press Enter to populate the window with search results processed locally. Apart from the small list of new features, the November 2019 update enhances Windows 10's performance and reliability. This update will begin rolling out to the general public in the later weeks this November. When that time comes, you can get it by checking for updates in the Windows Update section of the Windows settings. If you found this video helpful or would like to keep up to date about the next major version of Windows 10, make sure to subscribe and check out onmicrosoft.com for more info. Thank you, goodbye.